Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today learn capital letters alphabets A to Z. Kids class name. Blue color, red color, yellow color, green color, black color, yellow color. Kids, now coloring alphabets A to Z. Kids, first draw A. A for apple, A for ant, and use blue color. Kids, I can use blue color and draw B. B for ball, B for bat. Kids, now draw C. C for cat, C for car. Kids, I can use blue color and draw D. D for dog, D for doll. Kids, now draw E. E for egg, E for elephant, and use red color. Kids, I can use red color and draw F. F for fish, F for fan. G. G for God, G for grapes. Kids, I draw H. H for hen, H for helicopter, and use yellow color. I for ice, I for ice cream. Kids, I can use yellow color and draw J. J for joker, J for jackfruit. K. K for kite, K for king. Kids, now I draw L. L for lion, L for lemon, and use green color. M. M for moon, M for mango. Kids, I can use green color and draw N. N for nose, N for nest. Kids, now I draw O. O for orange, O for octopus, and use black color. Kids, I can use black color and draw P. P for parrot, P for penguin. Q. Q for queen, Q for quail. Kids, now I draw R. R for rose, R for rice. Kids, now I draw S. S for sun, S for snake, and use yellow ochre color. The alphabets of S. T. T for teacher, T for tiger. U. U for umbrella, U for uncle. Kids, now I draw V. V for van, V for vanilla, and use blue color. Kids, I can use blue color and draw W. W for wolf, W for watch. Kids, I can use blue color and draw X. X for X-ray, X for Xmas tree. Kids, now I draw Y. Y for yak, Y for yaya, and use red color. Red color. Z, Z for zebra, Z for zoo. Kids, today draw A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.